your vendors are kind of like your employees. So what I mean by this is that you're going to hire and fire employees as normal. Okay, that just happens. Vendors are the same way. So sometimes some people get all caught up in all like, well, I had this really good vendor and they screwed me. You know what? When you have employees, they screw you as well too. Okay, you're gonna have very, very good employees that love you and will do a lot of good work for you and help you. And then other way around is you'll have some that won't. All right, vendors are no different. And so you need to have an ongoing list of vendors, if you will, that are kind of circling in, cycling in. You should have some that you're really keen on that, like, all right, I'll give them this kind of business because they are very dependable on this. They've been loyal to me for the past X amount of time, a year, 2 years, etc. And then you might have some new ones that are coming in and you're like, you know what, I'm going to give you a shot because I do need some help in this area. So your vendors should be looked at as employees. And so when you look at it that way, it almost makes the hiring and firing process just business, okay? Because at the end of the day, when you're running a business, you need employees to grow, to scale, to handle operations, that sort of stuff. If someone doesn't meet certain expectations and needs and criterias, you just need to terminate them. You need to give them like, hey, I need you to be doing this, this, and this. If you don't do this, then we're going to have a discussion in 6 months or in 3 months or in 2 months or whatever it is. That's how you should be handling your vendors.